14W BoAt Signature Sound. Kickstart audio entertainment with the BoAt Stone 352 Pro Bluetooth speaker. Delivering 14W BoAt signature sound output, this speaker lends enhanced listening no matter your choice of content. RGB lights. Spruce up your audio zone with the RGB LEDs that add vibrancy to the overall ambiance. Enjoy tunes by yourself or host friends over for matchless audiovisual delight. Up to 12 HRs of playtime. Listen without charging woes for a massive 12 hours. Binge-watching OTT releases over the weekend can continue without annoying low battery alerts. TWS, True Wireless Stereo, mode. Pair two Stone 352 Pro speakers wirelessly and spice up indoor parties with impactful audio output. Dance to your heart-ooze content with the thumping audio of TWS mode. Inbuilt microphone. Answer incoming calls on this speaker with hands-free comfort. Thanks to the built-in mic, this speaker is a must-have for all your audio needs. Multiple connectivity options. Stay connected to the sound with wireless Bluetooth V5.3 TF card or AUX port. Play music however you want with Stone 352 Pro. IPX5 resistance. Take your speaker to the gym, beach vacays, or the poolside without worrying, as its IPX5 sweat and splash resistance ensures round-the-clock entertainment. Type-C. Charging interface. Juice up your Stone 352 Pro speaker with rapid charging speed owing to its Type-C interface. Moreover, the Type-C interface ensures that you can charge this speaker without fumbling with the orientation. Speaker, Bluetooth speaker, speakers Bluetooth, speakers, party speakers, speaker Bluetooth, wireless speakers, speakers with mic, speakers, BoAt. Stone 352 Pro, Stone 352 Pro, BoAt Stone speaker. Stone Bluetooth speakers. BoAt Stone 352 Pro, Stone speakers, BoAt speakers. BoAt wireless speakers. BoAt party speakers. BoAt Party Pal. BoAt BT speakers, customer reviews, 4 out of 5 stars, no. Very good quality and good sound. The music clarity is very nice, and our family loves it.